the standard deviation. First thing is z is less than 7 equals to 15% means 0.15. So therefore z-score, always z-score first. Remember 7 minus mu is 5 divided by sigma equals to 0.15. Remember, the probability doesn't really change when you do z-score. So let's draw the standard normal distribution. It's a very good guidance. It's a very good idea to draw this. It helps a lot. So less than means on the left hand side, and the area is 15%. So 15% means it's going to be less than 50%. So maybe around here. So the area is going to be like this. So this is negative. Let me use negative a. So let 7 minus 5 divided by sigma be negative a. Therefore, probability of z is less than negative a equals to 0.15. So by the law of symmetry, we can just change the inequality symbol, reverse it, and make it positive. So 0.15, and we can look up the other table, which is a percentage table for greater than. So for this type of sum, so if we look up the table, we'll find that for z is greater than 0.15, it's 4 decimal places. So 0.15, if this is the probability for greater than, the value of z is going to be 1.0364. So it's going to be like this. So we know what the value is. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by sigma is minus a. So minus 1.0364. So therefore 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by minus 1.0364 equals to sigma. So this particular value is going to be, we use the calculator. I think since sigma cannot be negative, so and I made up the sum, so that's the problem when you make up a sum. So what happens is that this one, instead of 5, this should actually have been 3. So this should have been 3. That should, then the sum would have been correct. So if I use 3 instead, then what happens? 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and this minus and minus cancels off. Then the sum will be correct, because you see, variance cannot be, standard deviation cannot be negative. Standard deviation is a gap between one data to another data. That gap cannot be negative. So I made up the sum. That's why it came like. That's why I changed it. So 2 divided by 1.0364, 1.0364, and this is 1.9298. So that is the answer.